Hi, I am Chandrashekhar, Managing Director of Unique Punch Systems Pvt. This company was started in the year 1994 and now it is 31 years old. Our main aim to start this company was to supply sheet metal parts and assemblies where our customers were finding it difficult to get the parts precise components. With that concept, we started this company and now we cater to almost all segments except aviation and automobile. Our main parts includes enclosures, cabinets. Now we also supply to semiconductor industry. Normally our customers give us 2D drawings. The same 2D drawings are converted to 3D by using SolidWorks, and these 3D drawings are fed directly to our machine without any problem. And advantage of using SolidWorks is we get 100% yield in the first output itself. That is the magic of SolidWorks.
Hi, myself Arun Achar. I am working as an NPD manager in Unique Punch Systems Pvt. We have been using SolidWorks more than 20 plus years. So before we are using only 2D softwares. So in that time we could not visualize or first time write on the product. So after using a SolidWorks, it helps a lot for time consumption and productivity, and it helps first time write product. And it also helps for smooth communication between designers and shop floor people. Conceptia team is regularly in touch with us, and if we stuck anything on the design perspective or if we need any kind of additional support, they will immediately come and support through online or offline. Thank you Conceptia Konnect for your training and support.